guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. You only need a few tools to do this. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have some foundation on, and for the sake of this video, I already did that. As you can see, I have some super dark eyebrows. I have dark hair in general, okay? The only way I'm going to cover that up is if I bleach it without having to bleach it. So that's where this little guy comes in. Now when you do this, you're gonna notice it feels a little sticky. That's what you want. Next thing you're gonna need is a fun, bright eyeshadow. And I'm going to play around with this eyeshadow right here. It is called Canceled. Now I'm gonna take a little foam brush or something that I know I can have more control over. You want a dense brush in general, something that you can control as you move it along your eyebrow. So I do not recommend a fluffy brush, but if that's all you have, pinch it together to make it a little bit more dense, like so. And you should be able to accomplish the same thing I'm about to do. You just want to bounce it up and down. You don't want to drag it, because then all of the white base is going to go everywhere and it's going to dim the color down. And we don't want that. We want our eyebrows to be obnoxious and blue. So let's keep doing it. We got the base color down. Now it is time for us to really get in those eyebrows. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay eye pencil. I don't remember where I got it from. And we're going to start sketching the shape of our brows, because I don't wanna leave my brows like this because they look like little caterpillars sitting on my face. We wanna bring them in a little bit more to have that basic Instagram brow. As you can see, it's already got some of this color on it. I have not cleaned my brushes. I'm gonna go back in with that color Canceled. And because it was a gel eyeliner, it's gonna have a little bit of that sticky base again. And I'm just gonna go in and pop this color on top like so. And I'm gonna do it where the point is up like this and just jab it on like that. Don't rub, jab it. Now we gotta clean it up. I carved them out. Now I want to make a little bit more of a, you know, just a better tail than this. I'm not really a fan of that right now. Taking that same small angled brush. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty powder, and you want to try to get a powder that's close to your skin tone. I'm taking another concealer type brush, and I'm just going to dip my brush into the powder like so, and I'm going to go in and very carefully apply it underneath. And I'm gonna let that sit there, and as it sits there, I'm going to create a look on my face that matches my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Boom. The only thing I did after I applied my makeup and let that powder set is I took a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I just gently brushed it away like so. Would I wear this every day? Absolutely not. Is it fun to wear? Absolutely. Are they perfect? Nah, but that's okay, because I'm not a makeup artist, so they don't have to be perfect for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your eyebrows any color that you want. Well, in this case, blue. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what you thought of this tutorial, if you've done this before, or if you have another way of making your eyebrows a different color. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video.